So today we'll be discussing about Bexio for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Bexio. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts. You can choose them all, and it will. You can also enable automatic future installations if you choose them all. It disappears if you don't choose them all. For the time being, we are just choosing our specific sub account, continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Bexio for workflows. Just taking a while. Here we are. As you can see, it is installed. Let's just choose the sub account. The next step will be moving forward towards getting the app configured. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration. Click on it, and here you will be finding all the installed apps on this installed on this sub account. We need the API key to get it configured. To do that, so you have to create an account with Bexio, and in the settings in the developers mode, you can find for the API keys. You have to generate your own token, and then you have to copy paste that here, and it will be configured. Let me show you how to. Here we are in our Bexio account. First, you have to create an account with Bexio, and then you have to search for developers.bexio.com, and you will be seeing this interface. And now, after that, you have to just find for personal access tokens, and from there you have to create new token. You have to name that token with the company, and after that your new token will be created as I have already created down below. After that, you have to copy this and paste it there. After pasting it here, you have to submit, and after that you can see that it is successfully configured now. Moving forward towards the next step, that is running towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Let's do that. Find for the automations above done and create a workflow. Start from scratch. We are in the workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and find for Bexio. Here it is. Look at the variety of actions that you can use into your workflows and create your own automations. You can just create title, you can just create salutation, you can create address, you can just create contact group, and you can create contact. You can get, update, and delete them accordingly. For now, to set an example, we will be just creating a title. Just name that to set an example for the moment. Save this action. Now we will be testing our workflows. Choose any of your contact and run this test. Head towards the execution logs, and as you can see, the create title action has been created and executed successfully. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.